Hello friends, today we saw about the blueprint of the general microbiology. So what is done in a general microbiology? First of all, identification of the species, antimicrobial susceptibility test. So first of all, we took the sample of the patient. The sample of the patient is took, okay, this is a sample we use to diagnose by identification. So we do the three method: routine method, molecular method and immunological method. Routine method we does in a routinely, it is a gold standard method. What is done in a routine method? Routine method is a gold standard method. What is routine method? Routine method including three part: microscopy, culture and the identification. Okay, what is routine method? So for the routine method in a microscopy, for the selection means primary identification of the species. Then these primary identification species we can grow in a specific culture. So isolation of the organism and grow it. Okay, so we use the culture method. And third is a confirmatory test. Confirmatory test is a identification two types: biochemical methods and the biochemical method and the automated identification. What done in a biochemical methods? So biochemical reactions in a bacteria and the fungi. For the fungi we use the gram stain and the lactophenol cotton blue. Okay, and the antimicrobial susceptibility test. Certain organism is susceptible to the antimicrobial drugs and certain organism is resistant to the antimicrobial. So we can do with molten Muller-Hilton agar. What we done in a Muller-Hilton agar? In a Muller-Hilton agar we can use the petri dish, two samples of the organism. This is antimicrobial sensitive, this is antimicrobial resistant. So what we can do, if you can see, all are culture, but this organism, if is antimicrobial resistant, it produce the certain substance and it can inhibit the surrounding nature, and the zone of the inhibition is seen in this species. So this is a zone of the inhibition. Okay, so what we done in a antimicrobial susceptibility test, we can culture with the antimicrobial drugs and we can see the zone of the inhibition. If the zone of the inhibition is present, so this organism is antimicrobial resistant, and the zone of the inhibition is not present, it is a sensitive, okay, to the antimicrobial drugs. Second is a molecular method. In a molecular method we detect the gene. For detection of the gene we use the PCR and the other techniques. And the immunological method, what we done in immunological method? In immunological method we diagnose by the serological method. Serological means antigen and antibody mediated reactions. Okay, and the in molecular method we also use the antimicrobial susceptibility test. And the immunological method we can't use the antimicrobial susceptibility test. Okay, then we can revise all of the blueprint of the general microbiology and how it approach. So this is a sample correct from the patient. we 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 done the routine method. This is a gold standard method. It is a 3 step. First of all, the microscopy for the selection and the culture for the isolation and the growing of the organism. And third is identification, whether is a bacterial, whether is a fungi. For the bacterial, a biochemical reaction, example like a staphylococcus and the streptococcus, we can differentiate with the catalase. Catalase positive is a staphylococcus and the catalase negative is a streptococcus. And the antimicrobial susceptibility test, in antimicrobial susceptibility test we can use the NovaBIOS insensitivity test. NovaBIOS insensitivity test for the identification of the certain species Okay, like a Staphylococcus saprophyticus and Streptococcus epidermidis. And then we can revise these all antimicrobial susceptibility test in general microbiology blueprint. This is a very important. Okay, what we done? First of the routine method, microscopy, culture and identification. What we done in a microscopy, selection. What we done in a culture, isolation. What we done in identification, identify the whether is a bacteria, whether is a fungi, whether bacteria for the biochemical reaction, and for the fungi we can lactophenol cotton blue and the gram stain. Okay, then we done antimicrobial susceptibility test, whether organism is antimicrobial susceptible, whether the microbes are antimicrobial resistant. Okay, with the help of the zone of the inhibition, with the help of the Muller-Hilton agar. Then second is a molecular method. In a molecular method we diagnose the in molecular method we diagnose the gene. Okay, and the immunological method we diagnose the antigen antibody reaction. Okay, so if you like my channel and this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you friends.